Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Apple ID, password, and two-factor authentication device are available. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS so settings match current menus, and back up your device to Icloud or a local computer to avoid data loss. Now open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap your name to access iCloud options. This is where you begin the actual change process rather than hunting for basics. You proceed by selecting iCloud in your account panel and reviewing each app toggle so only needed data syncs. Then choose Manage Storage to inspect backups, delete old device backups, or upgrade storage. Make sure to weigh cost versus required space. If changing your iCloud email or sync behavior, edit mail, contacts, and calendar settings. Once adjusted, allow time to resync so changes propagate across devices and confirm data integrity afterward. You finish by confirming settings on every device, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and sign out and back in where necessary to force refresh. Next, verify important files at iCloud.com, including mail, photos, and drive entries to ensure everything appears as expected. If something goes wrong, first reset network settings or toggle iCloud off and on for that service. If issues persist, gather device logs and contact Apple support with your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.